Well, hello everyone. Merry Christmas. I just wanted to take time today to give you a little bit of a house tour. We have a perfect day for an outside house tour. We have a little dusting of snow on the ground, as you can see here in Canada, and the perfect weather day to do this. So I wanted to take an opportunity while I had a chance to do this. As you see here, I flanked the door with 2 trees, and I used my wicker summer pots to put the trees into, keeping with the candy theme as I have in the house. And so you're going to see lots and lots of candy on these trees and donuts, and I made my own bows. Except for the ribbon around the door, which you see here, those are bought-in bows. But I tried as much as I could to make my own bows, and the wreath you see here also, I did make that. And keeping with the candy theme, I did peppermints and gingerbread and cupcakes. You can see all that with some little snowflakes and some glitter, and I love the way it turned out. I was trying to make everything as fun and festive as I could, thinking of candy theme and what it would look like, and this is what we came up with. I did use lots of garland on my railings this year, as you can see, and did a lot of lollipops and Christmas trees, and we did make the lollipops by hand. They're pool noodles, if anybody's interested, and you can probably find a lot of tutorials on those on YouTube. That's what we did to make them, and they're really actually very easy to make. So if you're interested in making them, I'd say go on YouTube and look up a tutorial to find out how to do that. But I was so lucky today getting this weather to do this tour for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Lots of candy on the railing. I purchased those candy pieces you see there from Amazon. And I used inexpensive bows from the dollar store for the garland on the railings. There's the lollipops that we made. We did make them in different sizes because we wanted the variation in height. I love the little gingerbread houses. Those were a new addition this year. And all the little lollipops that you see on the ground, those are new additions to this year. And I think I found those at Hobby Lobby if anybody's interested in those. And you're going to be able to see everything lit up at night, so stay tuned for that. We used a lot of different color lights with some pink and some white. Everything looks so pretty lit up at night, especially with the snow on the ground. We were so excited to get all the Christmas decorations done early this year for Christmas outside, while we had really beautiful weather to do it, so we were very lucky in that way. The trees you see here, I did use a climbing trellis to make these trees myself. I have a short one on the other side and a tall one that you're looking at now. I just wrapped it in garland. So you'll see lots of garland on there to make the trees, and then I have them lit up too, and then I made my own bows for the trees. I love my soldiers. They're so cute on the stairs, and I tried to make it very colorful. I hope you're enjoying your holiday season. It's going by so quick. I can't believe it, but here we are, and I've been thoroughly loving decorating for Christmas. I am a huge Christmas lover in my family. I love doing all these little things for Christmas. You're even seeing a little gnome that we were able to make to sit on the bench. And I think my favorite thing about the decorations on the outside is my big tree right there and my lollipops. I love those. So here's everything lit up at night. You're going to be able to take a quick look at how everything turned out at night, and oh my gosh, it looks beautiful lit up at night. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but in person it's so pretty. And we did white snowflakes in the windows, and we used white and pink lights for the majority of the trees and the garland. And just to give a little bit of difference, we broke up the colors beside the door with I think it was like a little purple blue combination, and they're mini lights. So we did that. You're going to see a little bit of variation in the color of light. But see how it looks so much nicer with snow on the ground. Our family is very excited for Christmas this year. We can't wait. We're excited. We do a lot of decorating, as you can see, and just the anticipation of waiting for Christmas. You guys have to let me know, do you decorate for Christmas outside, and what colors do you use? I'd love to know. And I'd love to know if you do use traditional colors or you like more of the modern colors. Everybody does something different, I find, and that's the great thing about Christmas is you could do anything you want, right? You can make your creation in your head come to life outside. And I've always wanted to do a candy theme, so I just kind of went in one direction, started picking up some items to make this candy theme happen, and it just kind of snowballed from there, and we ended up with what we have now. Every year I want to add a little bit more to this Christmas display outside. We're coming to the end of the video, and from our house to yours, I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and toodaloo, and we'll see you next time.